Thank you. Okay, so it is the 18th nakshatra in the 27 nakshatra belt. The position of Jyeshtha is 16 degree 40 minutes of Scorpio to 30 degree of Scorpio. 4 padas: Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So Mars and Venus are exalted, Jupiter and Mercury are debilitated in these padas. Okay, in these padas means the signs, okay, not exact padas. Okay, and Ketu reaches the highest exaltation point at 20 degree, of this particular, zodiac sign, which comes in the Jyeshtha pada 1, and Rahu gets a deep debilitation here. The motivation is the Artha motivation, which is material wealth and money. Ayurveda dosha is a Vata, which is a wind dosha. Gana, very, very important, is a Rakshasa Gana. It's a Triangana Mukha nakshatra, looking straight forward. It's a very, very sharp quality. It's a Tikshana quality. Caste is of the servant or a farmer, right? Guna is the Sattva, Tamas, Sattva, Sattva, right? And the Shakti is Arohana Shakti, which is power to rise above, conquer, win wars, to overcome a situation, win a battle. Yoni, animal, which is associated, is a male deer. And the body parts that are associated is the right side of the stomach. Also, I will add to this are the reproductive organs and the internal part of your thigh is also the Jyeshtha. Okay, so now before I go into the presentation part, I have so many things that I want to tell you, from my personal experiences and knowledge of the Jyeshtha nakshatra. There are a lot of meanings in the Jyeshtha, like a lot of different information that is available in different classics, Shastras, Vedas about the Jyeshtha. So one by one, I'm going to share, those beautiful golden experiences that I had in my life while I was giving nakshatra based consultations, especially with the people in the Jyeshtha nakshatra. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I said in the morning as well, that a nakshatra is always ruled by a deity, is always ruled by a devata. That lordship is actually of a devata. Though by the Vimshottari Dasha system only we have ruling planets. But the actual information, the actual characteristics that we always get from the ruling deity or the ruling devata. Just remember this. This is very, very important. Because if you want to understand a particular nakshatra, it's not that how much you understand the planetary ruler of that nakshatra. It is about how much you understand the devata of that nakshatra. Keep this thing in mind. You will always do fantastic predictions. Okay. Now, so ladies and gentlemen, this nakshatra, the ruling deity of this nakshatra is the Indra, okay, which is the Indra Devata. Okay, as you know, that Indira or Indra is the position, it's like the president of the Swarg. So Indra is what is Indra actually? The meaning of the Indra is someone who has control over the Indris, right? So Indris are basically our senses. Okay, so there are various Indris that we have. Okay, so can somebody tell me what all Indris we have? Anyone? What all Indris
So,
we have?
so it's
Five
hearing,
indris.
touch,
Mhm,
eyes, I mean, see with eyes and
mhm,
hear with ears,
mhm,
skin,
mhm.
and taste.
So that are called the Panch Indri, right?
Yes, sir. Five.
Five
Yes.
Indris. Okay. So do we have something called Gyan Indris also? Okay. So like we have Panch Indris, which is sensation, the something that you taste, something that you see, something that you feel. These are all Indris. But then there are Jnana Indris also. So just like you have Panch Indri, there are five Gyan Indris as well. So if you can control your Indris, now listen to this very carefully. If you can control the Indris, you can become Indra. Simple. Indra is a Shakti. Indra is a position that you and I can actually take if we can control our Indris. And that is the most difficult thing to do in this world. Because every time you want to control your Indri, every time Indra will give you something. For an example, if you say that, okay, I'll control my sexual Indri, and suddenly, you are 22 years of age and you will get an early marriage and you will get a beautiful wife and then you'll start having children. Can somebody tell me why this thing happens to you? The time when you say you don't want money, you start getting money. When you say that, okay, I don't want to eat meetha, that particular day you'll get a lot of meetha. That particular day, the control is gone. Then that particular day you say, okay, I don't want to drink today, I'll not drink. And suddenly there is an occasion, there's something that you again, what are these things, from where these things are coming? These things, the luxury, the beauty, everything is coming from Indra, because Indra is so insecure that he doesn't want anyone else to sit on his throne. You understand what I'm saying? Indra will always be very much insecure. Who is Indra basically? Indra is, out of the 12 Adityas, Indra is which Aditya? I have taught you about the 12 Adityas, ladies and gentlemen. Indra is which Aditya out of the 12 Adityas? Okay, never mind. He is the fifth Aditya. Okay. So he is the fifth Aditya. And who is the mother of Indra? Now this is easy. Who is the mother? This is very easy. The mother,
Aditi.
Aditi. This is so easy, Aditi is the mother of all the Indras. And who is the father? Is a Kashyap
Kartik.
Rishi. Okay. We've done this. We've discussed this. So he is the son of the Kashyap Rishi and Aditi. So five Adityas. No, the fifth Aditya, not the five Adityas. Fifth Aditya is Indra. And Indra is one personality who will always show himself as a Jeshtha. What is the meaning of the Jeshtha? Jeshtha The real meaning is elder. The meaning of the Jeshtha is who always Jaya. Jaya means Jaya Stha. So, which is a permanent victory, winner, someone who could conquer things. So, Jeshtha is someone who is a winner, right? Someone who conquers things. The first thing that we see from the Jeshtha and the Indra together is that Indra has a very, very long life, thousands and thousands of years. It is not like a American government or Indian government where you have that tenure of 5 years or maybe 6 years, or I don't know how much. But then the people who are born with the Janama Nakshatra of Jeshtha, whose deity Devata is Indra, these people will have a always a
Long life.
long life. That is the first scene, which is the first thing that we see. Okay, they will always have a long life. That is, the longevity is good. You know why?
It's because of Indra.
One, yes, because of Indra. Second, eighth house of the Kal Purush, which is the eighth Rashi, is also Scorpio. And this nakshatra is right in the middle till the end. So 16 degrees of 40 minutes to 30 degree of Scorpio is Jeshtha. And how many of you know this, that Scorpio also represents one thing called longevity? Yes or no?
Yes.
You have to see longevity of a person. You always look towards which house? The eighth house.
8th house.
Okay, very, very important. Jeshtha people, I have seen, they live a very, very long life. A very famous Jeshtha personality of India that I liked the most whole my life, when I was reading his chart and when I was trying to understand his chart and was trying to understand him as a person, was Mananiya Swargiya Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Vajpayee.
So Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had as a Janama Nakshatra. So can you believe that these people have this much of capability to go and rise up to that level? Albert Einstein was also moon in the Jeshtha. You know why? Why research and development? Why research? Why there is so much of research here in the because 8th Scorpio is what is mining. It's the hidden occult, all the secrets of life. When you go deep inside, like, what, in a kundli there is a great relationship here. I must tell you that. See, in a chart, what happens is there is something called 8th house and there is something called the 12th house. Okay, now you see, the 8th house is the deep occult science, the darkness, andhera, and the 12th house is that sunshine, ujala, roshini. Okay, so this is the 12th house, and this is the 8th house. You know what? Both of them are Lakshmi. Okay. 12th house is when you spend money, you know. So my Guruji always used to say, Navneet, when will money come? So money will come when you spend money. Okay, only then you'll get motivation to earn more. Lakshmi. That is why Venus is exalted in the Pisces here, the 12th house, Mahalakshmi. Right. Similarly, here this is called the 8th is called Alakshmi. Now remember this. Right? Who is Alakshmi? Alakshmi is the elder sister of Lakshmi. That is why ज्येष्ठा का जो कुछ स्क्रिप्चर्स में नाम है वो एल्डर सिस्टर, बड़ी बहन से भी गया. किसकी बड़ी बहन? लक्ष्मी की बड़ी बहन. कुछ लोगों ने ज्येष्ठा को इंद्र की पत्नी भी कहा है, लक्ष्मी, which is exactly opposite to Rohini, but that we'll discuss later. So Alakshmi is the protector. Protector of what? Protector of Mahalakshmi. Because if you have so much of Lakshmi and if you have that deep knowledge, because this is also Lakshmi, knowledge is Lakshmi, and this is the Lakshmi which is visible, this is a Lakshmi which is not visible. Because by looking at a person, you cannot judge कि उसके अंदर कितनी पावर होगी, कितनी उसके अंदर नॉलेज होगी. By looking at what car he drives, at what, in which house he lives, and what jewelry he is wearing, that's 12th house. But how much deep inside he is gone is seen from the Jyeshtha, which is in the 8th house of Scorpio, where Jyeshtha is also called as Alakshmi. The Devata, Indra, was one personality who was politically very, very strong. See, if you want to be at a level of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, you have to be politically strong, clear and protective. एक राजा देश की रक्षा करता है, very, very protective. They are the people, even if these people are younger children in the family, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी they will behave as if they are very mature and like a king. You know, they behave as if they are elder. Because the energy of Indra is there. Because Indra wants to be the leader. Indra is one energy that really likes his position. He will always, always, always have those leadership qualities, the Indra. Will always have those leadership qualities. That is why Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, as one leader out of all the prime ministers, you know, he was one personality I liked the most. And Indra had so many wars. इतनी लड़ाइयां इंद्र ने लड़ी हैं. और अगर आपका ज्येष्ठा नक्षत्र है और आपको एक देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त होता है, तो आपके टेन्योर में लड़ाई जरूर होगी. There will always be a war. You see, Indra had so many fights with asuras, with demons. Even he had a small fight with Krishna also, if you remember the Govardhan story. So, you know, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji was the prime minister of the country, we also had a war. Yes or no?
Yes.
We had Kargil war. So you must understand this thing, that these people will have challenges in their life, they will always have a war-like situation in their life, but eventually they will win, because there is no one who could be parallel to Indra. Especially in the war zone, there is no one who could stand parallel to Indra. उस समय में, जिस समय में भारत का युद्ध हुआ, अगर वो एक कंट्री को छोड़ के 10 कंट्रीज के साथ भी युद्ध हो जाता, तो सिचुएशन ऐसी क्रिएट हो जानी थी जिसमें भारत विजयी रहता. बिकॉज इंदिरा नेवर loses. Indra never loses. Indra is blessed by Vishnu ji. ऋग्वेद की 250 से ज्यादा ऋचाएं हैं जिसके अंदर इंद्रा का वर्णन किया गया है. इंद्रा ब्रिंग रेन, बारिश लाते हैं, तूफान लाते हैं इंद्र, लड़ाई लेकर आते हैं, वॉर लाइक सिचुएशंस लेकर आते हैं. बट इंद्र इज ऑल्सो फुल ऑफ डार्क, डीप, हिडन नॉलेज, रिसर्च. इंद्र इज वेरी आर्टिस्टिक. ये जो चीजें मैं इंद्र की बता रहा हूं, वो चीजें आप उन लोगों में पाओगे. दे आर highly intelligent and highly possessive, highly straightforward, political, put themselves in troubles, hardworking, authoritative, possessive about their job and their career and their position. They will never give up, and they will win. They will always win. They are very, very authoritative. This is what Indra wants to be. I have seen people who are makeup artists, because Indra also represents Soma, romance, and beauty as well. I have seen people who are into bhogas, especially the food at times. They would love to have good food, meetha food. They would love to have those bakery items, you know. They would like to see the hidden recipes. And people born in the Jyeshtha would like to dance. उनको नाचना बहुत पसंद होता है. Why? You know, they can dance. I mean, even if you are mature right now and you're not dancing, that's a different thing. But as a child, if you could remember, they would dance as a child, because Indra, after consuming the Soma, would like to dance. Indra dances. They would really, really like to dance. Indra has had many, many, many wars. You know, the tagline for Jyeshtha people is, I know better than you. I know better than you. This is the real quality of the Indra. They will always want to reach this position. Always. They seriously, they always keep working around this situation, that they should tell everyone that they know better. And honestly speaking, they reach that level, and they know better than others, because they know the hidden science, mysticism, occult, black magic. You know, if these people are into Jyotish and they start learning Jyotish, they will be very much attracted towards Tantra. black magic, the tantric vidya. They'll be very attracted towards this particular science, this particular aspect of the science. So he just want to keep enjoying, this Indra wants to keep enjoying his authority, and but he's very protective about his devatas. So I've seen these people are protective about their country and their family. They will take wars, and then once they are protective, they know that the protection is done, they want to enjoy their life. They would like to eat good food, they will like to drink soma, and then once they drink soma, they would like to dance. And soma also, Indra has actually done what? Soma bhi unhone churaya hai. Soma is like that energy drink, came out of various mantras, and Vishwakarma se inhone churaya. He steal soma from Vishwakarma. And on the negative side, like Indra had many sexual encounters. The worst sexual encounter of Indra was with the wife of Rishi Gautama, Ahilya, the wife of Gautama, Ahilya. And then Gautama cursed Indra, and then he got Sahastra yonis, Sahastra female yonis, Sahastra female yonis. And then who took him out of this curse? Agni.
Shivji, no, I think so.
Agni. Agni Devata gave him the rituals, because the duty of the Agni is what? The duty of the Agni is to purify things, no? That's the duty of the Agni. So Indra again went into a scandal, got cursed, and then again came out of it. You understand? So these people can have lot of, if there is a Jeshtha male, they can have many such small relationships, at time, even if they're stuck, they're able to come out of it. That is again, Jeshtha. Very, very important that these people will always be winner eventually. That is why, Indra is also called Mahindra. Manushyo mein Vijay. There are different names of Indra, different positions and powers that are associated with Indra. Jitendra, Devendra, Narendra, Indra, Dharmendra. Indra means the victorious on these things. Indra, the excess amount of Indra, जब Indra element जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Indra is present in the east. Yes, the position of the Indra is in the east direction. And if the Indra element increases at your home or around you, this will break families. Why it will break a family? Because there will be so much of bhoga. That is why Indra is also called Panduranga. Panduranga means that who's a destroyer of a very strong hold, like a family holds each other together. If the Indra element increases, the family may break. You have to be very careful At times, if you have negative combination of planets, Mercury and Rahu sitting together, or Rahu, it can actually increase lot of obsession. If the obsession is increased, the calculation and the intelligence of Rahu is gone. That is the strongest reason that Rahu gets debilitated here. In the first pada itself. Because this is where Rahu says, Amit, this is highest level of obsession, after which there is no obsession left. If you have a bad combination or a bad conjunction, you are in trouble, because that will take you to a very obsessive behavior and very addictive behavior. You can be, at times I've seen people with Jeshta, they are addicted to eating, especially eating sweets, or maybe anything which has a lot of bhoga in it. I've seen researchers who are addictive to their research, politicians who are addictive to their politics, astrologers who are addictive to tantra, and tantra is always done in the dark. You have any addiction, you will always find a corner which is a dark corner, or which is a room which is an isolated dark room to fulfill your addiction, maybe smoking, drinking. That is why you see all the bars, they do not have lot of lighting is not there. Lighting is 12th house, Lakshmi. The 8th house is a Lakshmi, which is a darker side. Though a Lakshmi always protects the Lakshmi. How? Because when you go deep and you bury and you try to mine the land, or if you try to go very deep inside, आपको सारे रतन, हीरे, चांदी, जवाहरात सब वहीं मिलेंगे. And a Lakshmi is basically protecting those. That is why Jeshta people are protectors. They will protect what you give them. They will never destroy it. Indra is also protector of Dharti, Mother Earth. And the biggest thing that Indira protects is cows, गाय. गायों को इंद्र देवता प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, because he knows that ये गाय की सेवा करने से, गाय को चारा डालने से, और गैया कौन चराते थे? कृष्ण. गौ सेवा से इंसान इंद्र के दरबार में जगह ले सकता है, गाय की सेवा से. सो अगर इंद्र के दरबार में देवता बढ़ते हैं, क्योंकि इंद्र देवों के राजा हैं, सभी देवताओं के राजा हैं, तो उनको हर उस चीज को प्रोटेक्ट करना है जहां से एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग एलिवेट होके, एग्जॉल्ट होके इंद्र तक, स्वर्ग तक पहुंच जाए. और स्वर्ग तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको मोक्ष चाहिए. यू नीड मोक्ष. That is why Ketu gets 100% exaltation here. Ketu will take you to the moksha. And Ketu says that the first step is start loving Gai, Gau Mata. There's a story also. एक बार इंद्र की गाय को एक राक्षस चुरा के ले गया था. तो इंद्र के पास एक फीमेल डॉग रहता है. द नेम ऑफ दैट फीमेल डॉग इज सरामा. सरामा ये वो फीमेल डॉग है जो यमा के पास जो 2 डॉग्स रहते हैं उनकी मदर है ये. एंड शी वाज द वन हु फाउंड आउट, सरामा फाउंड आउट कि इनकी गाय को किसने चुराया, और फिर इंद्र ने युद्ध किया और अपनी गाय को छुड़ाया. तो ये कथन जो शास्त्रों में लिखा है, इससे पता लगता है कि इंद्र देवता कितने गायों के लिए प्रोटेक्टेड हैं. वो बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं अपनी गायों को और दुनिया की हर एक गाय को. और गौ सेवा मोक्ष की प्राप्ति का पहला स्टेप है. That is why you see, I keep telling you people in the Narayan Seva परिवार also कि गाय के लिए पैसा डालो, गाय का चारा डालो, गाय के लिए करो. You know why? Because Indra is waiting for you. You will get the moksha. आपके पाप धुल जाते हैं, आपके प्रारब्ध के पाप जो हैं गौ सेवा से खत्म हो जाते हैं. सभी देवी देवताओं का, आदित्यों का जो वास है वो गौ सेवा में गाय के अंदर होता है. And this become the biggest remedy for people who are born in the ज्येष्ठा. गाय की सेवा, गौ सेवा. ज्येष्ठा में जन्मे लोगों को गाय की सेवा का exuberant रिजल्ट मिलता है. They will see prosperity. Indra elements is what? Authority. Indra is Swarg, good food, music. Indra is protection. On the same time, Indra is Bhoga also. हर तरह के भोग. लेकिन on opposite to it, out of doing all these things and learning all these things, Indra has become the controller of the Indris. After he realized that he's done wrong with Ahilya, Indra realized it that it is wrong. I have to, जब मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्राश्चित ही यही है कि मैं अपनी इंद्रियों को वश में रखूंगा. जब आप लोग शराब पी लेते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, तो आप अपने आप से ये कहते हैं कि आज के बाद मैं नहीं पीऊंगा, अपने मन को कंट्रोल में रखूंगा. जो पिया आपने वो भी इंद्र एनर्जी है, और जो आप त्याग करके उसको आप अपने हाथ में कंट्रोल में ले लेते हैं वो भी इंद्र एनर्जी है. But one is the positive energy, the second is the negative energy. You have to decide which energy you want to pick up, because the negative energy will not allow you to reach Indra. But then Indra has also given you a way that, hey, look, you can. और जब आप अपनी इंद्रियों को अपने वश में कर लेते हैं तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको उस समय स्वर्ग की या इंद्र की जरूरत पड़ती है. यू बिकम सो एक्सॉल्टेड कि आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आपको वैराग्य जो है वो दिखने लगता है और आप एक अलग डिवाइन दुनिया में जुड़ जाते हैं. आपको किसी चीज की परवाह नहीं रहती है. दशरथ इंद्र बन सकते थे, लेकिन उनको इंद्र की चाह नहीं थी. दश मीन्स 10, रथ मीन्स क्वालिटीज. रथ, उनके 10 रथ थे. उनके 10 रथों में से 5 इंद्रियां और 5 ज्ञान इंद्रियां, टोटल 10 इंद्रियां उनके कंट्रोल में थी. He would have easily become Indra, but then he doesn't desire to become Indra. This is what happened with 99.9% people. That जब इंद्रियां कंट्रोल में आ जाती हैं तो आपको इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग हो जाती है that you don't desire anything. There was no such desire in Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji also. He said, okay, nothing now. I don't want anything. And he becomes such a good poet. I have seen such a good people who are into law, especially if you have Saturn in Jyeshtha. I have seen great makeup artists, people with lot of cash money, especially you've got Venus in the Jyeshtha, because all those Indra things, अच्छा घर, स्वर्ग जैसा एनवायरनमेंट, ये सब ऐसे लोगों को जीवन में एक पॉइंट पे मिलके ही रहता है। चाहे आप कितनी मर्जी गरीब फैमिली से पैदा हो, तो भी आपको राष्ट्रपति भवन में, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के घर पे आपको रहने की जगह जरूर मिलेगी, क्योंकि आप इंद्र जरूर बनेंगे। सो the prospect of these people, the future prospect of these people are great, and especially अगर दशाएं सपोर्ट कर जाती हैं, people who were born with the Jyeshtha, these people reach at a very, very, very highest level. So, this nakshatra, Jyeshtha, is also a Gandamul nakshatra. I must tell you that Gandamul के 6 नक्षत्र होते हैं, 3 नक्षत्र केतु के हैं और 3 नक्षत्र बुध के हैं। जो तीनों नक्षत्र केतु के और तीनों नक्षत्र बुध के गंडमूल के अंदर आते हैं। आपका होमवर्क है कि आपको एक चार्ट ड्रॉ करके केतु के तीनों नक्षत्र की पोजीशन, जैसे मान लीजिए केतु का एक नक्षत्र यहां है अश्विनी, और इसकी यहां से 4 पदाएं होती हैं। फिर यहां पर रेवती भी है जो बुध का नक्षत्र है। अब यहां पर ज्येष्ठा आ गया, यहां पर आश्लेषा है। इस प्रकार बुध के 3 नक्षत्र, 3 नक्षत्र ऑफ मर्क्यूरी एंड 3 नक्षत्र ऑफ केतु की एक चार्ट ड्रॉ करके मुझे आप पोजीशन ऐसे सर्कल करके बताएंगे। मैं उसके बारे में आप लोगों से डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं। आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्कस टुमारो। और अगर 6 नक्षत्र हैं, हर एक नक्षत्र की 4 पदाएं हैं, तो टोटल 24 पदाएं गंडमूल के नक्षत्रों की आती है, जिसमें से 24 की 24 बुरी नहीं होती हैं। There are padas of Gandamul that are not risky, that are not dangerous. आज हमारे साथ ऋचा लूथरा जी जुड़ी हैं और ऋचा जी कुछ कहना चाहती हैं। उन्होंने हैंड रेज किया है। जी ऋचा जी।
हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन।
हरे कृष्णा।
सर ज्येष्ठा के बारे में इट्स अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक नक्षत्र and what I have found in my observation, Jyeshtha people don't have a stable life. They have a lots of transformation in their life. कि उनकी लाइफ में हमेशा, अगर मून ज्येष्ठा में है तो लाइफ में हमेशा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रहेगी और वो एक प्रोसेस की तरह चलती रहेगी। ये नहीं है कि कुछ पार्ट लाइफ का ऐसा है जहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुई और रुक गई। तो ये कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस की तरह चलेगी। और दूसरी चीज, इसका रीजन भी है क्योंकि ज्येष्ठा जो नक्षत्र है स्कॉर्पियो साइन में आता है, तो इसी के एंड में, ज्येष्ठा के एंड में गंधांता पॉइंट भी है। तो इसलिए जो भी ज्येष्ठा पीपल हैं, जो भी जिनका मून ज्येष्ठा में है, तो उनकी लाइफ में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रहेगी हमेशा। ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि ज्येष्ठा में मून हो और उनकी लाइफ में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं हो।
Exactly, this is what exactly I've said, that Indra has learned from his mistakes. When you learn from your mistake, you transform. Like Indra was cursed by Rishi Gautama, and then he transformed, and then he controlled his Indris. Then he became Jitendra, जिसने अपनी इंद्रियों को जीत लिया हो. He became Mahendra. He became the Sarvashreshta. So this continuous transformation, wars, highs and lows, this will remain with the Jeshta people. That is very correct. And this is what I have been trying to tell you through different stories. Yes, Richa ji.
वन मोर थिंग कि अगर एक तो ये हो गया कि मून अगर ज्येष्ठा में है तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, इसके अलावा अगर कोई दूसरा प्लैनेट भी ज्येष्ठा में है तो उससे रिलेटेड, उस हाउस से रिलेटेड, उस प्लैनेट से रिलेटेड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन भी लाइफ में होगी. सपोज समवन हैज वीनस इन ज्येष्ठा, तो सबसे मतलब उसका एक आर्टिस्टिक माइंड सबसे पहली चीज तो वो होगा. और दूसरी चीज कि अगर दूसरे कुछ प्लैनेट भी मतलब ज्येष्ठा में है या उस तरह का कुछ इंक्लिनेशन है उसके बर्थ चार्ट में, तो डांसिंग स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी हो सकती है उनकी.
Exactly. This is what I said. That
Because
Jeshta people will dance a lot. They have good skills, especially if they have Venus.
और ये मतलब क्लोज ऑब्जर्वेशंस के बाद मैं ऐसा बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज माई डॉटर हैज वीनस इन ज्येष्ठा. उसको किसी ने डांस नहीं सिखाया सिंस चाइल्डहुड. उसकी जो मूव्स है उसमें इतनी क्लैरिटी है कि जैसे उसने किसी प्रोफेशनल डांसर से सीखा हो.
Yes, and where this energies come from, because what do Indra do? Indra will drink Soma and then Indra will start dancing. जो आपको इंद्र की डीटी भी मिलती है, the deity or the small picture, there also you will find Indra dancing. He's in that ecstasy of enjoying and dancing, and that those moves are natural moves. Nobody will teach you those moves. They are absolutely natural. Similarly, the occult sciences, if you have Ketu in the Jeshta, the natural occult will come to you. You will be able to observe, you'll have those intuitiveness if you've got Ketu. A lot of people say that, Jeshta people do a lot of bhogas. I would also say that Jeshta people also do a lot of sacrifices for the family, for the protection of the family. This is the other side of the Jeshta. Richa, you want to say something more?
That's it. बस
Great.
यही है कि ज्येष्ठा में कोई भी प्लैनेट हो वो इतना श्योर है कि दैट विल ब्रिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
Yeah, that will bring transformation. Venus and the Jeshta. How will Venus bring transformation? Venus is your spouse. Venus पत्नी है, आपके जीवन में फीमेल है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, ये सब शुक्र है. And how can that female bring transformation in your life? You see, behind every successful man, there is a female, there's a woman. So, that is that saying, that formula applies here. And if you say the negative side, if you got Venus Rahu together, or if Venus is afflicted, or if Venus is your Marak Graha, then female will come in your life. She will break your heart. She will ditch you, and then you will have a transformation in your life. At that point of time, you will realize that, boss, you're wasting time. It's time to do something bigger in life and prove to myself why I was not worth it. What was wrong with me? Was I poor? Was I not good looking? Was I not intelligent? Was I not sincere, dedicated? It will, these transformations will help you to understand yourself deeply. That eighth house, deep, dark analysis, you'll go inside very, very deep to understand that, hey, look, these are my weaknesses. and I will transform these weaknesses into strengths. These people have ability to transform their weaknesses into strengths. That's the beauty of Indra. And with respect to Indra, that's the beauty of people who have planets in Jyeshtha. They'll go very deep. Even if they're talking to themselves, if they're trying to understand themselves, they will, one small thing that they will say or they will utter, that has a very deep meaning. There's a very strong, in-depth analysis behind their suggestion. I always used to say from my Jyotish Acharya classes that Mars has two sides, Aries and Scorpio. Mars is a darker, Mars is in the darker side. Scorpio is a darker side of Mars. The Aries lordship is also with the Mars, the Scorpio lordship is also with the Mars, but Mars here is a very, very dark side of Mars. These people will not fight openly. Those government high official spies and people working in the secret services, in the defense, because obviously they are warriors. There's Mars energy involved here. These people have a very deep sense of secrecy. Although they will not be able to keep small secrets, they will utter, because Indra is like that. Indra will not keep small secrets, but he will keep bigger secrets. Atharva Veda, Rishi Atharva. But you know who blessed Rishi Atharva for the Atharva Veda? Indra. Nobody knows it. Who gave the quality to Ashwini brothers to restart things? Who gave that thing, that thing to Rishi Chavan? Is coming from where? The root
From
is, yeah,
Indra.
from
Indra.
through Ashwini brothers, no?
Yes.
It is coming through Indra. So if you have lot of Indra quality, you'll be towards the Soma, towards the Bhoga. If you have a positive Indra energy, you'll be very intelligent, very helpful, very protecting, life-giving, and giving Swarga. People who have Jyeshtha, उनको होता है कि मैं अपने घर को स्वर्ग बना दूं, अपने देश को स्वर्ग बना दूं, और मैं फिर उसकी रक्षा करूं.
And one more thing, Jyeshtha people are also very daring. क्योंकि जो ज्येष्ठा है वो स्कॉर्पियो साइड में आता है, तो मंगल राशि रूलर यहाँ पर है. तो वैसे भी काल पुरुष की कुंडली में जो फर्स्ट हाउस है और जो 8th हाउस है उसके रूलर मंगल है. तो किसी और प्लेनेट के पास इतनी कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है कि वो फर्स्ट हाउस लाइफ और 8th हाउस डेथ, उन दोनों को कंट्रोल कर पाए इतनी स्पॉन्टेनियसली कर पाए.
That's what is Indra all about. Restarting. It will restart things for you. Death is a restart, no? When you're shut down is your death. And that is why Ketu is exalted here, because Ketu is just recording things and then he's saying, oh, okay, this is what you accomplished. Okay, this is what you want to do in the next life more. Rahu, just look, this is what you want to do. I have just gathered what this guy has accomplished. And if those accomplishments are at a very high level, you get moksha. Is that simple as that? Is that As simple as that. So now you have Scorpio here, 8 number. Then you have 9, 10, 11 or 12, which is Sagi, Capi, Aquarius and Pisces as the padas. Now you have Indra here and Vimshotri Dasha Lord is Mercury here. Mercury is money, the bhoga, calculation, business. You know those hidden brain games that you play to earn business is Mercury, intelligence. Vishnu Rupa, Buddha. Controlling 70%, 80%, 90% of the wealth of the world, Buddha, Mercury. Now you put your planets here. Put your sun here, put your moon here, put your Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and analyze and see what is happening. We just, analyzed what? We just analyzed Venus. We analyzed Saturn. Saturn will bring lot of discipline, lot of organization, structure in Jyeshtha. I've seen hard-working, long hours of research, deep research, long hours of passion, calculation, great magistrates, lawyers, defense services, great soldiers with Mars in the Jyeshtha. Moon in the Jyeshtha, people will become bigger in their life. They'll be like king one day for sure. If the planetary dashas, Vimshotri dasha system supports them, if they have good dasha coming in their life for like 20, 30 years or 40 years, beside all the ups and downs in their life, they will succeed in their life. Because Indra is never a loser, it's always a winner. It's always a winner. This is the manthan of various planets we'll do tomorrow, in the lecture. And also we'll try to understand your inputs of different planets in Anuradha as well. Because you people have done the homework, which is beautiful. A lot of people have done the homework. I feel charged up. I feel motivated. This is absolutely fantastic. So guys, people who have their planets in Jyeshtha, please share their experience.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
Sir, my younger son is in Jyeshtha, Venus in Jyeshtha.
Yes.
And he is the same thing, like remember, daring, automatically dance moves हैं उसके अंदर खुद से without teaching him.
मैंने देखी है उसकी वीडियोस, आपने मुझे शेयर की थी.
हाँ जी, तो मतलब automatically है, very organized.
No, these people will have that energy drink and then start dancing. फिर हटेंगे ही नहीं.
सही बोल रहे हैं, and he has a sweet tooth.
Yes.
Authoritative.
मीठा खाना उनको बहुत होगा. मीठा मीठा दे दो, बेकरी दे दो, बिस्किट्स दे दो, आइसक्रीम दे दो, खिलाते रहो सारा दिन.
पूरा दिन he can have.
That's Indra qualities.
All qualities whichever you discuss. And I was just thinking about him, and then I was just analyzing ki he is the same.
So isn't Jyotish beautiful?
Very beautiful, sir. Very beautiful.
Yes, Simratji.
Exactly, ek line, whatever you have told, exactly is same. And though he is Venus in Jyeshtha, he doesn't have a like moon Jyeshtha. He has Venus.
That's what I'm saying. Yes. Yes,
And all
Simratji.
beauty thing related, he is very possessive about his dressing sense, about his hair, about his everything. You must have
Just take care. When he grows up, he'll have many affairs, and he'll have a lot of propagandas also. Just be very careful.
running right now. And I can see.
So just be very careful.
I can see.
Yeah. Yes,
चलो,
Simrat ji.
thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
मेरी फ्रेंड है, मैंने अभी नोटिस करा उसके चार्ट में सन मून असेंडेंट ऑल इन ज्येष्ठा।
Nice, nice thing. अमावस्या
And
योग बन गया।
हाँ सर, वो स्ट्रगल्स तो बहुत है उसकी लाइफ में, बट शी नेवर गिव्स अप। मतलब मैंने
Yeah.
आज तक उसको और सर आप जो फूड की बात कर रहे हो सर, उसके घर में सुबह शाम डिफरेंट खाना बनता है।
Wow.
लाइक अगर सुबह चाइनीज बना रही है वो, तो शाम तक उसको टेंशन हो जाती है कि अब मैं क्या बनाऊं।
Right,
मतलब
right.
शी इज
That
टू मच इन
bhoga quality of food is there. Very
भोगा,
nice.
एंड वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट हर फैमिली।
Yes, they are
मतलब
protective.
she goes out of the way, like she work, if she gets up at 4, तो
Yeah.
रात के 12 बजे तक she'll make sure कि किचन को spick and span क्लीन करके ही सोई।
Fantastic.
वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग।
Yes, yes.
हाँ, लेकिन एक चीज जो आपने बोल दिया, आई डू नोटिस इन हर, शी डज जिसे कहते हैं ना, शी लाइक wants more and more money।
Yeah. वो jealousy भी पैदा करता है और urge भी पैदा करता है कि मुझे ज्यादा चाहिए।
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो मेरे को आपकी लेक्चर सुन के एक लगा है कि जो मैं उसको बोलूंगी कि तेरी रेमेडी, बिगेस्ट रेमेडी होगी कि यू सरेंडर।
Yes, you surrender और गौ सेवा करवाया करो उनसे। गौ
सर वो
सेवा करो।
मैंने अभी 10 मिनट पहले उसको मैसेज भेजा कि तू इंडिया में है, प्लीज पहले जाके काऊ को फीड करके आ।
Beautiful, beautiful.
यस सर,
Yes,
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
thank you. Yes, Shweta ji. You want to say something? You've raised your hand, Shweta.
हाँ सर, म्यूट पे
जी।
था, सॉरी सर।
जी जी जी
हरे कृष्णा सर।
जी, हरे कृष्ण।
मेरे यंगर सन का असेंडेंट, फिर मून और जुपिटर तीनों ज्येष्ठा में है।
जी
और आपने जैसे बोला वो बहुत फैमिली के लिए प्रोटेक्टिव है। फिर दूसरी आपने बात बोली कि दे विल नॉट फाइट ओपनली, वो भी
Yes.
एकदम परफेक्ट है।
Yes.
फिर तीसरी बात, कोई भी चीज में एकदम डीप में जाके जो चीज बताना, वो उसको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आता है।
जी जी
और छोटे सीक्रेट नहीं रखता, बड़े सीक्रेट है, वो भी बात एकदम परफेक्ट है।
Perfect, perfect. Very nice, very nice. Great, thank you. Yes, Rachit ji.
Yes, sir. So my wife has a moon in Jeshta,
Yeah.
and she had done, her diploma in music and dance
Wow.
when she was in college.
Yeah.
Now, of course, I am dancing to her tunes now.
That's very nice.
No, jokes apart. But
Yeah.
she's very caring and very, protective about the family as well. Family
Yeah.
के लिए बहुत करती है.
Yeah. And you being in London, those people somewhere in the different part of the world must be,
Yeah, it's
missing.
kind of tough, but TK, we are coping up
Yeah.
because we are on a mission.
Absolutely. Just stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Yes, Neeraj Gandhi ji.
Sir, it's not about Jeshta, but about Vajpayee ji.
Yeah.
My niece's friend, she
Mhm.
used to write letters to him,
Okay.
Vajpayee ji, since class 8.
Okay.
And he always used to reply to those letters.
Wow.
When she got married, she
Yeah.
sent an invite to him,
Yeah.
and he sent his PA with a handwritten note, a poem, and a gift to her.
Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yes, it is.
That's the real leader. Very nice.
And she used to get replies to each and every letter of hers.
Wow. So nice. Great. Yes, Nandini ji. Thank you.
हरे कृष्ण सर।
Hare Krishna.
सर जैसे अभी 8 साइन स्कॉर्पियो हम जैसे लेके चल रहे हैं कि ज्येष्ठा 8th हाउस के लिए, अगर 8th राशि हमारी जैसे 4th हाउस में आ रही है, तो हम कैसे इंटरप्रेट करेंगे सर उसे?
सोचो. How will you interpret that? 2 मिनट के लिए दिमाग लगाओ.
8th हाउस की प्रॉपर्टीज और 4th हाउस की दोनों को मिक्स करना पड़ेगा हमें।
आप सिर्फ 4th हाउस की प्रॉपर्टीज और नक्षत्र की प्रॉपर्टीज मिक्स करो. What is 4th house? Nandini, what is 4th house?
Sir, ghar,
No, no, I'm
Sir.
not asking you. Don't reply. I want to ask her. She'll
Sorry, sir.
interpret. No, don't do. Yes, Nandini. What is fourth house?
Yeah, our home, happiness,
What else?
mother,
What else?
property,
Yeah, you told that. Home, property. What else? Fourth house. Property. What else? Nourishment. Your
Yes, sir.
schooling, education, basic education,
Yes, sir.
right? Now you put Scorpio things. What is Scorpio? Secrecy, protection,
Yeah, research.
aggression, research, transformation.
Yes.
Okay, so these people can change houses, these people can change locations, these people can change nourishment, they'll be protective about their home, mother, protective about the nourishment to themselves and other. And now you have to see which planet in which pada. This is just I wrote on the whiteboard, no? Have you done the homework of Anuradha?
Yes, sir.
You've sent that?
No, I didn't send, sir.
Why? If you've done that, why haven't you not sent it? आपने भेजा क्यों नहीं?
2 planets are left, Rahu and Ketu. That's why, sir.
But you can जितना किया उतना भेज दिया करो, because you know this is how you will learn the interpretation. अब जो स्कॉर्पियो वो किसी भी घर में हो सकता है, पहले भाव में भी, दूसरे में भी, तीसरे में भी, चौथे में भी. आपको सिर्फ उस भाव की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऐड करने हैं ये पूरे मंथन के अंदर. एक पेपर पे लिखोगे, आपको रिजल्ट मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Shipra.
हरे कृष्णा सर.
Hare Krishna.
सर मुझे एक्चुअली पूछना था कि जैसे इन मेल्स चार्ट हम देखते हैं कि वीनस जो है तो इफ फॉर एग्जांपल किसी मेल के चार्ट में उसका वीनस इज इन ज्येष्ठा, सो कैन दैट आल्सो सिग्निफाई द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दैट पर्सन स्पाउस, और इज दैट वीनस इन ज्येष्ठा जस्ट लिमिटेड टू दैट person's
Definitely,
life?
it will definitely.
Like,
It will,
ये थोड़ा confusion
no, there's no confusion. Venus is always your spouse, and if you have Venus in the Jyeshtha, it will represent the Venus things about you. For an example, dancing and being an artist is your quality. Same Venus will also represent your spouse. So you can have, as a male, you can have these qualities in your spouse, as well as, you know, since Venus is also about luxury also. So once you get married and the spouse comes in your life and you have your wife with you, your wife will one who will be authoritative, and she will have she'll bring lot of luxury in her destiny. You know, उनके लाइफ में बहुत सी लग्जरी उनकी वजह से आपके जीवन में भी आएगी. एंड यू नो ये वो पत्नी होती है जिसके अलमारी में से ढेर सारा कैश निकलता है, बिकॉज वीनस इज ऑल्सो अबाउट कैश, लिक्विड कैश, not the money in the bank, but something, the jewelry and the cash that you have. So definitely, if you are a male and you have Venus in the Jyeshtha, you know, one good day your wife will possess lot of cash and jewelry. Okay, so Venus is representing your talents, as well as also it is representing your spouse.
Okay, sir.
Great.
Got
Thanks.
it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Swapnil.
Guruji, you were trying to make us understand about the dark side of Mangal. Can you please tell us once again, Guruji, what is the dark side?
The dark side of a Mangal is a soldier is of two types, Swapnil. One is a soldier who is fighting, you know, on the war zone. You know, he is one who is in the infantry. He is on the front line. You know, there you can look. Then there the other one is a soldier which is very hidden soldier. You know, someone who is in like FBI or a CBI or a very secret services. He's also a soldier. You know, so that is a very, very dark side of the Mars. You know, so people who are working in secret services, secret missions, you know, that is the Mars. The people who are working in open, fighting up front in the war zone, you know, that is something is a brighter side of the Mangal.
Guruji, one more thing. We saw that when planets come in Anuradha, they make people work in secret services. Also, when I'm thinking that when planets are coming in Jyeshtha, this combination can also make work in secret services. So there is a lot of influence of Scorpio, right, Guruji?
Yes. There is lots
And
and lots of influence of Scorpio and Mars in few of the qualities of people, who have their planets in Anuradha and Jyeshta.
also, Guruji, one more question that I have in my mind. I think that my Mars in Jyeshta is kind of making me a secret planner because, Guruji, can I share one experience?
Yes. Why not?
Guruji, honestly, we have a group where we do small mischiefs and kind of I only supply them plans.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think that that makes me a background secret planner. I
Wow.
don't come in the front.
Yes. That is how it is, and you're bang on. Absolutely bang on.
Thank you, Guruji.
Okay, great. So, guys, I want you to come up with the homework, okay, tomorrow, so that we can discuss planets in Jyeshtha and Anuradha. Okay, and we'll end this session here.